Typically, in the early days, we've hired only through references. So the first couple of years, most of our employees came through references, through people we knew, someone they knew, and what we've seen is that that's probably the most sustainable way of recruiting. But when we talk about what Ixigo has to offer for people, I think it's more about the kind of work culture that we try to build here, and I think that's been our biggest you know factor for both attraction and retention. That we try to build a work culture where people actually are having fun while they're working, and they actually do not feel as if it's just about work when they're coming to office, but it's also the feeling to create something new and come up with something innovative and build the next big thing. Because if that's how people feel, it becomes an automatic motivator for them to perform better, right? So I think it's just by being a little bit more flexible in terms of policies, being a little more inclusive, and just small things like doing fun outings at times, and having everybody involved, not having strict hierarchies, not having too much of formal communication going on, making sure that we have family atmosphere in the office. Those sort of things create that differentiator in terms of a workplace, and I think we consciously try to keep it that way even when we have scaled to like 50 people. I think that's where uh, we score above a larger organization where you have more process policy. You're stuck with a lot of bureaucracy, paperwork, and all that. And here, that you can actually walk up to the CEO who's actually sitting in a cubicle next to you and get your stuff done, right? So I think that helps.